Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this Torjim ring light, and I have a lot of ring lights for a lot of video creation. Here in my office, I started doing a couple different videos here and there, and I noticed I just wasn't getting enough light into the studio, and I actually am recording from behind one of the ring lights now, so I got a second one so I could kind of have some light coming through at nighttime when I don't have daylight outside. So let me open this up and show you everything that you get inside. And like I said, out of all the ring lights, I think this is probably perhaps my favorite one that I've gotten. So that is your ring light right here. That is your stand. And then this is going to be your phone holder that goes on the inside of the ring light. And your power cord. I'm like dropping everything all over it today. So it does come with a little remote that you can hook up to your phone. So this is going to be your phone holder. So you can mount it horizontal or vertical. And then this is your power cord. It does not come with a power cord block. However, you can hook it up to any USB extension cord, any energy source. Like you can probably even hook it up to your laptop or your desktop if you needed to. And this is the stand, and what I like about the stand is obviously it has a low foot profile. So you can kind of go down here and you can adjust it, and it has a lock on it. So that locks your tripod into place, and it has a variety of different levels. So I'm going to put this down on the floor, but it has a variety of different levels that you can choose from. And one of the more important things that you're going to notice when you buy ring lights is you need adjustability. And this has up and down, and it goes back, left and right. You also have a section over here where you can basically lift that onto the side. Has a little level on it, but it does stay pretty true to where it has to go as my screensaver goes on. But that is something that you're going to be looking for, like I was, for total adjustability, so you can get the right camera shot. So this is the ring light itself. So, and it has a little turn lock on it, so can quickly get that mounted. And like I said, you can turn that, and this little handle also, when you twist it, it's going to lock it into place. So a couple twists, unlocks, and then that will lock it. You still have to swivel back and forth, but at least you can set your tilt angle to where you need to. And then your power cord. And what I noticed about these ring lights is you don't want the power cord just hanging, so I end up draping it over like that. It's not going to diminish any of the light that it's going to make for you. However, I just want to make sure that that cord is not going to stretch and break that electrical outlet. And I do that with all my ring lights. And then here we'll plug it into my little USB strip that I have back here. Turn the power on. So that is the light you're going to get from it. So keep hitting the power switch and you're going to get your different hues, and that's going to turn it off. And then you can decrease how much light you're getting, so you can dim it down so it's not going to be that significant. And then you have your RGB, your different rainbow colors, and again, it kind of adds a little variety to the background for you. You got a little bit of a color strobe going on. And you got your pulsing colors as you go. So, I mean, that's pretty neat. And then you can go to your solids. You got your red. I guess that's kind of like a yellow-green. That's green. Blue. Turquoise, cyan. You got your kind of purple. And then back to all your different varieties. And then you can go back to your different color hues, which is kind of like what I like, because I like going for a softer glow light when I'm doing a lot of different videos, and then this is going to be your holder for your phone. Same thing. Let me just turn that off while we tighten that down. Okay, and I like that because it rotates, locks into place. Pretty good. So if you're doing a horizontal, so you can take your cell phone. I'll grab my let me grab my Apple Max Pro. So I mean that fits pretty good right in there. And then you can tilt this back at a variety of different angles. So you have like super versatility, as well as you can like tilt it back. Like I said, you can move it into any angle that you're like looking for. So let's get it into turn the camera actually on. And put the secret code. So, and then that's going to be your different camera modes. So, and then fully adjustable to whatever angle that you need to get. And you turn your lights on, dim them down, different color hues. But yeah, this actually works great, and you can get it nice and close up to you for whatever you're looking for. Like I said, I have one in the background and to give you a kind of an idea, so I can change the hue and the level of the background light. And so yeah, there you go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, and what an awesome ring light. Be safe out there.